Nayan Chaudhary, madam she's the right mentor for people. She is one of the great mentor I have in my life. Session was awesome. I loved her session. The way she conveyed with patience. Hi, this is Anand Ganesh from Madurai. I'm an author of the book Direction to Your Potential. I'm a CEO of Zen Medica Pharmaceuticals and founder of PSGM Solutions. I had lots of doubts in business, and my mentor, Nayan Chaudhary madam, she is amazing. She was with me during my tough times. Today I had a session with her regarding the questions, how I can develop my business, how I can cover the courses, how to hire people, how to develop myself in my institute, how to reach the clients, especially the high paid clients, more important, right? How to launch the courses in online and offline. Too many questions like this. She answered with patience. Really, I appreciate her patience. She's one of the great mentor I have in my life. Whenever I ask her, she never says I'm busy. Immediately she's available for me. The session was awesome. I loved her session. The way she conveyed with patience, her time, money and effort, everything. Where she had invested, she shared everything to me. The mentorship is great. I know why mentors are important in life. Because I'm also being a mentor for many people. It's more important I should have a right mentor. I'm glad to know that Nayan Chaudhary madam she's a right mentor for people. She's a public speaking coach. I really thank her for this session. It was awesome. I learned a lot from her. I'm learning from her. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time, Nayan Chaudhary madam. Have a wonderful life. Bye.